I've been paying for this tool without even knowing that I can get these images for free. So I'm going to show you how to generate pro images from Bing AI Image Creator for free, unlimited images. Let me just show you for free. You don't have to pay. I've paid for this tool for my story channel, and when I realized that I can actually get these images for free, I was wild. So I said no gatekeeping. I'm going to share this method with you so you can all learn and see how to generate unlimited images for your stories using Bing AI Image Creator. This is the homepage of Bing AI Image Creator. So we are not focusing on this, but these are all generations people have made. But this part where it says join and create, we'll click on join and create. And it will ask you whether you want to sign up with a personal account or a work account or school account. I'm going to choose a personal account. After you've signed up, this is the interface you'll be greeted with. You have 15 boosts to create with as a free user every day. So with these 15 boosts, you can create up to 100 images with just those 15 boosts, not just 15 images. So let me show you how it's done. So I'm going to paste my prompt here where it says paste your prompt, or you can click on explore ideas if that's what you want to do. Or you can ask it to surprise you if you want it to surprise, but I'm not going to be doing any of that. I'm just going to paste in the prompt I have on my clipboard. So my prompt is a 3D young African woman dressed in Ankara with neat braids sitting in an office. I'm going to click on create. So it takes about 5 seconds to generate your images. These are the images it gave me because I'm on a free plan. It's giving me the 1:1 aspect ratio, the square aspect ratio, which is not what we want. But let's just look at the images. If you don't like what it generated, you can still ask it to create more. That means you're going to use one of our prompt again, but we're not going to be doing that. We're going to click on this one. This one looks a bit, I kind of like her, so I'm going to click on her. It opens her up. From here now, I'm going to click on resize, and you see it on square 1:1. So I'm going to go to the landscape. I'm going to click on the landscape, which will redirect me into a new tab and start this process. That takes around 5 seconds or so. You see the same character, a different dress, consistent character, consistent images, pro images. You see, this is just a beauty. Like, it's so beautiful. You hit on download if you want to download this image. I'm going to download this one. To generate on that one, you just have to go back to the tab where you started from. Let's just look at these two characters. If they are consistent, they are so the same, almost. So what I'm going to do is to go back to this first tab and go back to still click on the landscape again. It will give you another image. You can go through this process as much as you want. As in, like, you can go through it as long as you want. You can even get 1,000 images, more than you get for your paid features. I've paid for this tool every time I'm creating for my story channel. I didn't know this existed. Like, I was so surprised to see that this is actually possible. You see, this has given us on that character. You can just keep on going back and keep on doing the process again and again. This is wow. Let's just look at the first image. Is this not consistent character? I'm going to download this. So let's go back to the first image that was started with. Now you can just click back if you no longer want to work with this image. You want to get on that consistent character for another image. You can just click back. So you have to download your images because you don't get back what you don't download. So I'm just going to click on this to generate this image again. You see all we have. These are beautiful. Let's go with this young lady here. Still go through the same process. Click on landscape. You see that. I'm still going to go back and click on landscape again. You get the point. So yeah. So with all these images I've generated, if I go back and close this out, you'll see that we've only used 2 boosts out of our 15 boosts that we were given to generate images. If at any point you want to go back to the image you've generated before, all you have to do is just to scroll it down and see all your creations under here. So I'm going to go back to the first one. Yeah, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and let me know in the comments if you're going to try this. Do have a good one.